Hi guys, this is Surbi Chauhan and I travel and blog. Recently I've been to Maharastra and got blown away from the beauty of it. If you haven't watched the first part of my Maharashtra series, then I will place the link in the I button. Now we are headed to our last location, that is Shani Shingnapur, but before that let me share you the road view, which is so amazing and mesmerizing. I was so excited to visit Shani Shingnapur as this is the only village in India where houses are doorless, and the best part about this temple is everything is well organized from your shoes to the prasad that you offer to the god. As we enter the temple, we will see a heap of coconut, a proper area where we need to put the prasad and the flowers, and we can only take the mustard oil inside the temple. That also we need to put in a channel way that directly goes to the Shani Dev. All these things leads to a no wastage of edible item, which is a really appreciating thing that this temple is doing. The evening aarti was a never forgetting experience for me, and I have tried to give you the best possible views as the camera are not allowed inside. I hope I be able to justify your expectation and see you soon in my third part of Maharashtra series.